Welcome everyone to an unboxing of the Elite 45H headphones from Jabra. This is kind of like their entry slash mid-range priced headphones. So we'll see what kind of performance you get out of them. You can find a link to the review in the video description. So they advertise it being, superior sound quality and all that other marketing jazz, which doesn't really mean much until you actually start using it, right? So we'll dive straight into the unboxing. The box itself is really simplistic. It's not really a bad thing. They just kind of list some quick little features there, but again, we'll see what it performs like in real life. That's what really matters. So I'm just struggling to get this out of the box a little bit, and there we go. Okay. So once again, keep advertising. Welcome to Superior Sound. They do mention download the free app for mobile devices, to tune it to however you feel comfortable, because there are some minor features and tweaks you can adjust, like the equalizer. And here's a quick start guide. And I like that the quick start guide is part of the box. Less resources, it's worse on the environment. Less worse on the environment compared to printing it separately, like the safety and warranty information, which I think they have to by law. But moving along, there's a soft Traveler'S pouch, which is pretty much useless. Not surprising at this price tag. You wouldn't expect a hard case, but a soft Traveler'S pouch is almost useless. I don't even know why they even include it at this point, because the only accessory you get out of the box is the USB cable, as you saw earlier. On the side there, it's a USB-A to USB-C cable, because it does take USB-C charging. These stickers are driving me nuts, so finally got rid of one. And I also find it kind of weird that they need to put all these protective stickers on the headphones if it's in a soft Traveler'S pouch, which ironically means the pouch is even that much more useless if they still have to put protective stickers on it, right? I mean, what's the point then? So it's interesting because they look very similar to the Evolve 265 headset, which I have reviewed. A link to that review will be in the video description. The body and design, the ear cup pads, everything is, well, many of the components are identical. Some differences, of course, like the boom mic, but very similar design, so very interesting. So again, that's an unboxing recap, and you can find a link to the review in the video description, as well as my social links and website link, also in the video description. Hit the like button, it does help, subscribe, and thanks for watching.